Can you get your seatbelt on?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, here we go.
Temperature 25.09er, altimeter 2990. ILS runway 16 right approaching use landing and departing runways 16. Notice to airmen. Taxi lane Alpha 1 closed until 5 p.m. local time. Advice on initial contact, you have Romeo.
Alright, we're going to spin the RPM up. No.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, just follow my lead on this stuff, alright?
Okay, got it.
Alright, I'm going to pick it up, follow me on it, and we're going to do a Balboa north departure.
Should I still kind of loosely hang on?
Yeah, loosely hang on, because it's nothing like you think it's going to be.
Okay.
We'll get you in straight and level flight and you work it out. Van Nuys Helicopters 482 Sierra Hotel with Romeo from the northwest corner, Balboa to the north.
Helicopter 482 Sierra Hotel, Van Nuys Tower, departure from the northwest corner will be at your own risk. Balboa approved.
Thanks a lot, 2 Sierra Hotel. All right, so we're going to pick it up. So we start bringing this collective up slowly. All right, till we get light on the skids, a little bit of left pedal. This is centered up, just like this.
Okay.
All right, when we get light on the skids, the helicopter starts doing whatever it wants to do. Now we got to start putting control inputs in it to level it out. I'm going to put this down again.
Okay.
Helicopters Police 18 with a request.
Right, and away we go. We're going to pick it up again.
Status flight arrival to the northwest quarter city hangar.
So we stop it from moving around.
Wind 1207.
And we pick it up into the air.
Runways 16 years.
And then we're going to hover taxi over here.
Roger, I'll report at Balboa and there'll be a quick departure back out.
Police 18, Roger. Go ahead and keep the code.
Police 18, thanks.
Hot.
It is hot, huh?
All right, we're going to get a little airspeed here. And then we're going to climb up, just like this.
Yep.
And then we're going to, as soon as we get past this tower, we're going to make a right-hand turn. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to level it out a little bit. You take the cyclet, okay?
Okay,
That's this thing here.
Yep, got it.
And we're headed right for Balboa, so a little bit of forward pressure on that cyclet. Keep that nose slightly down, just like that. We're going to follow Balboa at 1.3, okay?
Okay.
All right, pick the nose up a little bit.
Whoa.
Police 18, Cessna just south of the tower, making an early turn to the west. They're climbing out at 1,000.
All right. There we go. Right up Balboa.
I'm sorry, that's for Police 18, rather. Traffic
A little bit of forward pressure.
West now, turn
All right. So we want our nose right about like that. There you go.
Got the Skyhawk in sight. I'll maintain visual separation.
Police 18, thank you. Landing in the northwest corner. Be at your own risk. Wind 1007.
Police 18, thanks.
I'm a little choppy.
Well, it takes a minute to get used to this. There you go. Very good. A little bit of right pedal.
Oh, right, okay.
I lowered a little bit of power, so we need a little bit more right pedal.
Nice. Right pedal still, or?
No, we're good.
Okay. Oh boy. still choppy.
All right. Yeah, Van Nuys helicopters for 4820 Hotel. We'd like to turn to the west and inbound on the Satakoy for the northwest corner.
Helicopter 20 Hotel, for request to report Balboa.
Report Balboa 20 Hotel. Let's turn to the left. So we'll roll it to the left like this. And we're going to follow this road. All right, there you go. That nose up a little bit. There we go. All right, now we're going to make another left-hand turn. Very good. See that road right in front of you?
Yep.
We're just going to follow that road. That's Cal State Northridge right out there.
Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. That is beautiful.
Pick the nose up just a little bit.
West to beam the VOR Diamond Star, be turning base momentarily, 1,800 descending.
We're looking in 20 Hotel.
You know how they had all these pools out here.
Oh yeah, lots of pools. All right, pick the nose up just a little bit. There you go.
Oops, there I go again, choppy.
Hotel at
not following the streets so well.
Could you repeat 20 Hotel?
20 Hotel, traffic no factor, they're turning base now.
All right, thanks a lot, 20 Hotel.
What road's that?
What road?
Yeah, that's the street.
I'm not sure. This is the railroad tracks now. I think it's like White Oak or something. Yeah, it is White Oak. Let's pick the nose up a little bit.
Can I please see team with a request?
Look out in the distance.
Go ahead.
Yep.
Don't be looking at the ground.
Corner transition to
It's easier to tell what you're doing if you look out in the distance. It's easier to hold the helicopter in a level position.
Helicopter a half mile out of the northwest corner. Helicopter 20 Hotel,
beautiful.
northwest corner landing will be at your own risk carrying out from the tower. And there's a P-51 crossing the 118 freeway. It'll be an overhead approach.
We'll be looking for that P-51. We're turning on the Satakoy, clear to land northwest corner, 20 Hotel.
Police 18, I'll have you going here in about a minute and a half.
Police 18, roger, thanks.
And this is Satakoy. So we got a P-51 coming in for the overhead right now.
We'll be in a holding pattern?
What's that?
Does that mean we'll be in a holding pattern until?
No. That just means look out, there's a crazy man coming in at a P-51. He's going to do some old military approach.
Hotel, that P-51's coming too fast. I need you to make a 180 back out to the west, and I'll bring you in a second.
All righty, we'll do just that. 20 Hotel, I got him in sight. We're turning to the south on a 180, 20 Hotel.
No, thank you. I'll bring you back in momentarily.
Thanks a lot, 20 Hotel. All right, now we're just going to fly outbound a little bit. I really wanted to watch that guy do his thing. All right, and we'll just fly this heading.
I'm sorry.
Helicopter 20 Hotel, you can continue inbound now, and I'm going to depart a police helicopter ahead of you.
All right, 20 Hotel. We're turning to the right now.
Oh, sorry.
251 over the northwest corner, and overhead approach. Advise the site.
Police 18, roger, looking for the traffic, negative contact.
20 Hotel has the P-51.
20 Hotel, thank you.
All right, now we're back inbound. Nose down.
Whoa.
Police 18, the P-51 turning final, now no factor. Departure from the northwest corner will be at your own risk. You make a Balboa departure, I'll get you over to Whiteman at the 118.
Balboa, departure, have the P-51 in sight. Thanks. Police 18.
Looking for 2 Sierra Hotel behind the outbound police ship, landing in northwest corner of Beach Road.
We have them in sight. We'll be behind them, 2 Sierra Hotel. All right, so we're going to lower some power, right pedal. We're slowing down a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
So we're slowed down, we're descending. We're letting the police ship get ahead of us. Now we're turning to the left. Excellent. Keep on turning. Bring in a little power.
Okay.
Police 18, let's start your eastbound, turn out across finals. No traffic inbound at the moment.
Police 18, roll call. Thanks for your help.
Police 18, absolutely, stay with me for just another moment or two.
We're going to slow it up a little bit. See, I do that just by picking that nose up. Then I bring in a little power. And I settle it to the ground using my power.
Looking for 352, stack cross approved, landing in correction, clear to land, taxi off the southwest corner, wind 080.5.
352, clear to land off the southwest corner.
Police 18, traffic appears to be on about a 3-mile final to Whiteman out of 1,500, type unknown. Go ahead and contact them now, 135.0, good day.
Switch to Whiteman. Thanks for Police 18.
And when we get really close to the ground like this, you notice we got a lot of left pedal pulled in.
Yep.
That's because we're using the most power.
Okay.
Because we're drawing the air directly.
right.
Prep west of the
You have to make up for the torque.
making a short approach, by the site.
352, in sight.
Keep it real level and just lower it to the ground with the power.
Nice.
There we go.
Awesome. Thank
I'm
you.
going to roll the throttle down below 80 so she won't fly anymore. And what's his name? The next guy?
Oh, Brian.
Brian.
Yeah.
And
Nathan was before him.
okay.
And I'm Greg.
All right. Okay.
All right, cool.
I'm putting the frictions on. So go ahead and take your seatbelt off. Make sure you go to the front, not the back.
Okay, got it.
Back that got that tail rotor back there.
Yeah, I don't want to go back there. See you in a little bit.
And we'll take the headset off. There we go. All right, good. See you in a little bit.